Want to know how to copy board on Trello? You would want to copy the board on Trello as it allows you to duplicate an entire board, including all lists, cards, and settings, which can save a lot of time and effort when working on similar projects. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to copy board on Trello. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Trello app on your screen. Navigate to the board you wish to copy and open it. Tap on the three dots icon in the top right corner of the screen to access the board menu. From there, tap on the copy board icon right beside the three dot icon. Here you will need to enter a name for the new board. Now tap on the down arrow option right below the workspace section and select the workspace. Likewise, tap on the down arrow option right below the visibility section. Here, you can choose whether to make your board private, workspace, or public. Furthermore, toggle the switch right beside the keep card option if you want the activity and member to be copied to the new board. After naming the new board, tap on the copy board to complete the process and the copy board will be created in your workspace. Keep in mind that copying board may require a Trello subscription as the feature may not be available in free version. So this is how you can copy board on Trello. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.